chicken barbecue rice. So delicious. Let's make half kilogram chicken, 250-gram dahi, 2 medium tomato paste, 2 and half tablespoon tender masala, 2 tablespoon listen adrak paste, half tablespoon pusi kali mirch, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, 1 lemon juice, 1 tablespoon namak, half teaspoon chili flakes. Mix well. Marinate for 30 minutes. Cover it. 2 tablespoon oil in pan. 1 chopped onion. Cooked well. Cooked until it's golden brown. It's cooked. Add marinated chicken. Mixed well. Cover it. Cooked well. It's cooked. Charcoal smoke. Add oil in it. Cover it. 2 tablespoon oil. 1 tablespoon chipped lawson. Cooked well. 1 and half cup cabbage. Mix well. 1 cup carrot. Half cup shimla mirch. Mix well. One teaspoon namak. Half teaspoon pusi kali mirch. 1 teaspoon cutie lal mirch. 1 tablespoon soya sauce. Mix well. One cup hari piez. Mix well. Vegetables are fried. Preparing bagar, 3 tablespoon oil, 2 tablespoon chipped lessons, cooked well, 1 tablespoon kadi lal mirch. Bagar is ready. Boiled rice. Preparing sauce half bowl mayonnaise. 5 tablespoon ketchup. Half teaspoon kali mirch. 1 tablespoon hot sauce. Half tablespoon namak. Mix well. Sauce is ready. Ready to serve. Layer of boiled rice. Add some bagar tarka. Layer of fried vegetables. Layer of chicken barbecue masala gravy. Layer of yummy sauce. Delicious barbecue rice is ready. So spicy and yummy. Subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.